Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can send audio or music files in Facebook Messenger on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes, comment under this video. And let's get started. So friends, if you would like to send some audio files or music files in the Facebook Messenger application, you will first need to open the Files app on your iPhone. Then go to View at the bottom. Then go to either iCloud or iPhone, depending on where you have those audio files. Next, you'll need to find them. And now, if you want to send one audio file, then you'll need to tap and hold on it. And then you're gonna have to select Sub. If it's more than one, then you'll need to click on the three dots at the top, on the right-hand side, and select. Then you select Audio Files, after which you click Share at the bottom the same way. Next, clear the menu that you'll get. And now you'll need to find the Facebook Messenger app. If it is not here, click More. And that way you can find it. If, however, let's say you don't have multiple files to send, this also happens. Then you need to send one file at a time. To do that, as I said, click on the file, click Share, and now find Messenger. Next, either find the person you would like to share this audio file with, or type that person's name into the search box. Next, select him/her and click on Done. This way, friends, you will send a music file or an audio song to the person in the Facebook Messenger app. To make sure of this, open the app itself. After that, go to the correspondence with the person, and as you can see, such an audio file has been sent. This is how, friends, you will be able to send any audio songs and music files in Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone very quickly and easily. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.